Guys, I received gifts. So, one by one. From the smallest to biggest. Okay. Tita Erin from Charles and Mikay. Keep natin to kasi sayang naman kung tatapon to. You can use it again. Wow naman!
Oh my Lord! Thank you! Anak ako ng hanap dito. Wow!
Rosa Purpurea. Let's open this one. What is this?
Ma'am, una lang yun na, ma'am. Thank you!
Oh, it's a perfume.
Sure, isa lang daw.
Oh, nice. Nice. Nice smell. Nice smell. Nice smell. Ay, naku, pasensya din. Ano lang yan?
I don't need it. Ano? Uy, ba't hindi mo binigay earlier from out?
Hindi, may smell siya. May scent siya.
From out kanina. Bigger bag na, bigger bag! Bigger rapper, save the world.
Kay Mother.
Thank you.
Okay.
Paper bag, go.
Oh, this is from Jane. Oh, this is from Jane. Ay, oo nga. Ay, thank you so much, guys. Another collection of bags. Thank you, Jay. Ang ganda.
Order in life, daughter.
Oh, yung ganda. Nice, 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 nice.
Mama. Ibay na ako magkuhan.
Babawi kami sa susunod. Kasi hindi namin alam na ganito pala dito.
Bakit ulistahan ng utang? Bakit ano yan?
Next will be from Jane again. Thank you so much.
Pera! Ako pa mo!
Calling card?
Calling card.
Calling card?
Calling card.
Ay, 500!
Ano to?
Gift check.
Gift certificate. Oh! Para massage and all. Massage and pwede. Another pera.
Wow!
Kami massage.
Thank you so much! Oh my God! Daddy! Guys, I have coats, rubber shoes. Ay, ang ganda coats! Ang ganda! Guys, this is my long time favorite to have it. Finally, I got it. So, ganyan siya ng bag ko. Ay, ang ganda! Thank you so much! Sa'yo, patingin niya. Oh, nice!
Thank you. Morning.
Merry Christmas!